Comfort listening seated while the track is moving. Secure hold on the grab bars and avoid using flash photography. And lastly, don't try to extend your fingers outside the tent.
Oy, fingers ha. Dili mo ko. Kit-kit na.
Ano, kalayon?
Anak lang ha. Dili gawas na.
Kalayon.
Yeah, you can stand up, ma'am. Pwede naman mo move closer. On my right side, you can see the lions po, ma'am.
Oh my God.
Careful lang po.
Palawa ka ba?
Yeah.
Okay, so their names are Max, Jack, and Bugoy. They were bred and raised in captivity from France, but they originated in South Africa. They're all male siblings and 8 years old.
8.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Kisingan, bugoy?
Max, Jack, and Bugoy, sir. Yes, sir.
Max, Jack, boy.
14 is
Yes,
my
ma'am.
favorite.
Asa may bugoy na?
Si Bugoy, sir, is katong nagtalikod, sir.
Ah, it's
Yes,
right.
and kanang nagmata, sir, is si Max na.
Asa, puro na sa lalaki, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Asa may female nila?
As of now, ma'am, we don't have a female lion or a